Hello students, welcome back to the class again. I hope all of you are fine. So today we will discuss about again Excel, some basic concept. We will come to the option flash fill. Now what is flash fill? Okay, so for that what I have to do, whenever we are trying to extract some portion of data or range of data from the previous cell, okay, then we use this flash fill option. Okay, let me just write some data and then I'll come. Okay, so I have written name of 5 students. Okay, now I am trying to extract the first name. Okay, so for that what I have to do, I have to write in the first cell. That means what I want to keep here. Okay, I have written it that I am going to keep the first name of every name of the student. Okay, so for that you have to mention the first one to make the Excel understand. That means what do you want to keep? What is the range of the data will be? Okay, so you have to mention for the first time, for the first data, okay, to make Excel understand what you want to keep. So I have written the first one. After that, again the same thing. Place your mouse pointer upon fill handle, drag it, leave it. Now you will see the first item or the first data what you have written is copied to every cell. Now come to this option, change it to flash fill. Okay, now see. Okay, for every name Excel has selected the first name because I have written Ronit for the first cell, so that Excel understood that yes, I have to keep the first name of every name. Okay, okay, so that's how we can use this flash fill option. Okay, I think clear to everybody how to do it, flash fill, right? So whenever you are trying to select some particular range, okay, again I'm going to give you another example. So now I want to keep first 3 letters from each and every subject. Okay, so for computer I'm keeping COM. Okay, so now after selecting it, let's again drag this. Okay, again change to flash fill C. Okay, for each and every subject Excel has selected the first 3 letters. Okay, so that's how we can use flash fill. Okay, for huge amount of data, this is very tiring or time taking to write in each and every cell. So for that you can mention the pattern or the formula for the first cell and you can use that flash fill option. Okay, clear everybody, I think. So this is it for today. Okay, so bye, and any questions you can write in the comment section. Okay, we will talk about this in our classes also. So bye bye for today, see you in the next class. Bye.